calculate using the range in MS Excel. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the range in order to calculate in your MS Excel. So as here you can see, I have this basic data of month and month wise profits right here. So this column represents the particular month and this column represents the profit within that particular month. So for example, let's say we want to find the total profit that we have done in these months. So what we can do is simply utilize the range in order to calculate them. So how you can do this is simply go to that particular column where you want to perform any operation, and for example I want to add all of these profits. So what I can do is simply type in n equals to sign, and then I will type in sum, that is the sum formula, and then give it a starting parenthesis or a starting bracket. Now you can select the range of cells for which you want to add the values. Since we want to add the values for all of these months, you can simply click onto this first cell and then drag it all the way along to that particular cell for which you want to calculate, and it will automatically fill up the range that is from the cell B2, which is this cell, all the way to the cell B10, which is the cell for the profits in the month of September. Or alternatively, you can also type in the same exact value like this, and then once that is done, you need to simply close in the bracket and then hit the enter button, and here you can see that this is the total profit that we have calculated using the range function in MS Excel. So that's how easily you can calculate using the range function in MS Excel. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.